Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to another episode of Wave Watch. This is your host, Sleepy Bull here. I'm here with the total two market cap for the crypto market, and we're gonna just be looking at the potential downside and the current wave count for total two. It's just a quick video, and it is as of October 21st, 2023. So I do think that we will reach this level here, 340 billion. There's a few confluences to that. And I guess let's just begin by counting the current total two wave count. Let me just switch this over to the 2 week. So we have here, as normal, a 1, 2, 3, 4 wave count. Now this is a fifth wave count that, of course, I don't think it finished. The fifth wave is normally 1618. Actually, no, look at that. It did finish. Yeah. 1618 of wave 4, or is about the same size as wave 1. There we go. Looks like it was a little bit more than wave 1. So we'll go with the wave 4 projection here. So this just goes to show you that total 2 market cap has completely exhausted this entire wave count. Normal targets after a 5 wave count, maximum drawdown target is bottom of wave 4, which from the top to the bottom is a total 2 decline of 97%. But I don't think that's gonna be the final bottom of that market. So yeah, let's just zoom in to the wave count for wave 5. So again, this is wave 5 of macro wave 1. So we have here, let me not even label this. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, depending on how you want to label this, you could call this a WXY, 1, 2, extended third, or extended fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4, extended fifth, A, B, C, or WXY. I'm in the camp of believing that this is a complex, what do they call it? Expanded flat correction with a WXY. Now, normally when you have a complex WXY correction, you go to the most extremity, which is, or the extreme, which is the 2618 level. That's the lowest possible target. Now, this is why I believe that we can hit this level here normally when you have a fifth wave extension like the one that we just had here, because this is a fifth wave extension. 1, 2, 3, 4, extended fifth. You do come back down to this top or bottom of wave 3 or 4. And so this is one possibility. The high likelihood is this target. Let me take this here. This target here of 341 billion market cap. Let's dive into the expanded flat here. So we have here W right here, X, wave X. Now this is a 5-wave move down. We have 1, 2, 3. Notice wave 4s are sideways and or triangle corrections. We have here A, B, C, D, E, sideways triangle correction. So you can also call this a pennant with a rejection at the 618. And the target is for this pennant, you guessed it, it looks awfully close to this value here. We could just go to the 210 billion, but let me leave that off the table now. We're not going to do that kind of voodoo math there. We're going to do this kind of extrapolation. Normally, wave 5s, to note, we did break down from this triangle. We already broke out, retested. It looks like we might be coming in for another retest. We'll just have to see if we complete that. But normally, when we have a wave 5, like I stated before, it's either the same distance as wave 1, and that is the conservative value of 370 billion, or we have the aggressive target, which is the 618 of wave 4, which will put us at 316 billion, which is why I tend to believe this is probably the better target. Now, normally, there are extensions in all Elliott waves, whether it be the 3rd, the 1st, or the 5th. I don't think this was an extension. Let's apply the 3rd wave extension test. Looks like it was extended. All right. So it could be that we hit this target, but that does not exclude this from being a potential target. We'll just have to wait and find out. My suspicion is high probability that we will bottom here at 342 billion. It's my high strong probability. And also, no, or we just do a retest as a final wave 5. That's very light. And notice how here, this is wave 4. We might just hit the wave 4 bottom of the extended 5th, which is very strange. Typically we go down here, but I don't know. I don't think we'll get down there. We'll have to wait and see. If we do have a full-blown sell-off from the SPY, we'll hit this. We will hit this 2618 level. This will be coming. And as I showed earlier in the previous video, the S&P just started breaking down. So this is my suspicion. If we go full 2008, this will be our target, 155 billion. And that's when the crows and the scavenger, what do they call those? Vultures will come in and swoop the altcoin market. So this is a level to watch. It could be nothing. The SPY could have a light sell off and continue onwards. Like in my previous video, I doubt it. This could be it. Now, once we finish this, we're gonna start the mother of all bull markets. Well, I don't even want to. I can't even draw this thing, but it'll be Granddaddy Wave 3, and this will be a pump for like the next 10 years, 20 years. Signing off, Crypto Boo.